Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable Dr. Marsafiati, SPD MPD, and Dr. Christian Wiradini Waller, SIMM, as my supervisor. Introducing, my name is Nurmaida with a student identification number 1709621016. A student of the Office Administration Education Study Program in 2021. Today I will present my proposal seminar entitled The Effect of Social Media Addiction on Academic Procrastination with Self-Regulated Learning as a Mediating Variable in Student of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor. Chapter 1 Introduction. Law number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system, education is defined as a conscious and planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, and skills needed by themselves, society, nation, and state. To achieve these goals, every student must go through a long and challenging learning process. One important component of this process is the tasks that need to be completed. However, in practice, there are still students who often procrastinate doing the assignments that have been given. Based on researcher experience, when carrying out teaching skill practice or PKM at SMK Negeri 1 Bogor, it was found that some students still have difficulty in managing time effectively. This can be seen from the students' delay in submitting assignments. To confirm this, the researcher conducted a pre-research by distributing a questionnaire to 30 respondents. The table showed that 72% of the students show a high tendency toward procrastination behavior. To find out more about the factors that influence academic procrastination, the researcher conducted a pre-research by distributing a questionnaire to 30 respondents. Based on the result of this pre-research, the research focused on the two main variables, namely self-regulated learning and social media addiction. Problem formulation. Number 1. Is there an influence between social media addiction on self-regulated learning in students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor? Number 2. Is there an influence between self-regulated learning on academic procrastination among students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor? Number 3. Is there an direct influence between social media addiction and academic procrastination in students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor? And the last, is there any influence between social media addiction and academic procrastination through self-regulated learning among students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor? Research objective: to find out the influence between social media addiction on self-regulated learning in students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor. Number 2, to find out the effect of self-regulated learning on academic procrastination among students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor. Number 3, knowing the direct effect between social media addiction on academic procrastination than students of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor. And the last one, knowing the effect of social media addiction on academic procrastination through the self-regulated learning in a student of SMK Negeri 1 Bogor. Research benefit. The results of the study can be used to increase scientific understanding and can be a contribution to the development of a knowledge about the student procrastination behavior, especially related to self-regulated learning and social media addiction. In addition, this research is expected to be able to enrich scientific reference in the world of education and become a source of information for future researchers. Benefit for researchers to understand more deeply about the problem of procrastination of vocational student and become a provision or insight for researcher for future educational development. Benefit for SMK Negeri 1 Bogor to provide insight into student procrastination behavior and is expected to be an input for school to improve academic performance and student learning outcomes by understanding procrastination factor. And last, for Jakarta State University, this research is expected to increase knowledge and become input for students who will conduct research in the field of education, as well as aid to reference collection at the Jakarta State University Library. Chapter 2 Literature Review Supporting Theory Academic Procrastination. According to Zhou and Elder 2020, academic procrastination is a deliberate and unnecessary delay in completing academic tasks. According to Lesmana 2022, academic procrastination is a person's tendency to procrastinate working on or completing the task at hand which will ultimately result in anxiety because it cannot complete the task on time and maximally or even fail to complete it. According to Stout 2010, academic procrastination is a tendency to voluntarily postpone a task, even though the individual knows that this delay will harm them. Based on the opinion of this expert, it can be concluded that academic procrastination is the behavior of deliberately postponing tasks until close to the predetermined deadline, because individuals prefer to do other activities that are more enjoyable, resulting in anxiety due to their inability to complete tasks on time to the fullest. Self-regulated learning. According to Palamas and Ward 2020, self-regulated learning is a progress done by a person in planning goals, monitoring progress, and regulating their thinking, motivation, and behavior to achieve the desired result. According to Taromaseli 2022, self-regulated learning is a person's ability to organize and evaluate their learning process independently. According to Song and Zimmerman 2011, self-regulated learning is a person's ability to control their learning process, which include aspects of cognition, affection, and behavior to achieve long-term goals. Based on the opinion of this expert, it can be concluded that self-regulated learning is a person's ability to manage and control their learning process with a full sense of responsibility to achieve predetermined goals. Supporting theory social media addiction. According to Zygmunt et al. 2019, social media addiction is an excessive habit of using and monitoring social media, often compulsive at the expense of the other activities. According to Aisha Fitri and Yusriak 2021, social media addiction is a behavioral disorder in the excessive use of social media, which leads to the tendency to use it continuously. According to Pata et al. 2021, social media addiction is characterized by an individual's inability to control behavior to access social media, causing psychological problems and neglecting other activities such as studies and other work. Based on the expert opinions that have been described, it is concluded that social media addiction is an individual's inability to control excessive and compulsive use of social media, which has a detrimental impact that neglects other activities. Literature review of previous research. 1. Andreini 2018. The relationship between academic stress and self-regulated learning with social network addiction. The results show that there was a negative and significant correlation between self-regulated learning and social network addiction, with R equal minus 0.244 and P equal 0.010. 2. Apriani et al. 2023. The relationship of internet addiction with academic procrastination in adolescents at State MA in Serang City. This research showed that the internet addiction variable and the academic procrastination variable have a positive relationship with a correlation value of 0.636. 3. Santika and Sawitri, 2016. Self-regulated learning and academic procrastination in class 11 students of SMA Negeri 2 Purwokerto. Simple regression analysis saw a significant negative relationship between self-regulated learning and academic procrastination. And the last, Aisha and Khalifa 2020, Modeling Self-Regulated Learning, the mediating role in the relationship between academic procrastination and problematic smartphone use among the third-year middle school learning disabled students. The results show that self-regulated learning was negatively correlated with academic procrastination and smartphone addiction. On the other hand, self-regulated learning was positively correlated with problematic smartphone use. Theoretical framework 1. X to Z. In research conducted by Anggraini, Aziza and Muslika and Simanjuta show that the higher the addiction to the use of social media, the lower the ability of self-regulated learning in students. These findings indicate a significant negative correlation between social media addiction and self-regulated learning. 2. Z to Y. Various studies from Abdullah et al., Nurharyati, Rizkini et al., and Santika and Sawitri show that students with high self-regulated learning abilities tend to be able to control academic procrastination behavior. The result of this study confirmed the existence of a significant negative relationship between self-regulated learning and academic procrastination. 3. X2Y. Previous research conducted by Apriani et al., Nadarajan et al., and Putri et al. Found that social media addiction has a positive relationship with academic procrastination. The higher the level of social media addiction, the higher the academic procrastination, and vice versa. The lower the social media addiction, the lower the academic procrastination. And the last, X to Z to Y. Research conducted by Asa and Khalifa, Latifah et al., Ozier and Altinsoy, and Carrigan et al. Show a negative correlation between self-regulated learning with social media addiction and academic procrastination. This suggests that self-regulated learning ability can play a role in reducing the negative impact of social media addiction and academic procrastination. Hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1. There is a negative influence between social media addiction and self-regulated learning. Hypothesis 2. There is a negative influence between self-regulated learning and academic procrastination. Hypothesis 3. There is a positive influence between social media addiction and academic procrastination. And hypothesis 4. Self-regulated learning mediated the negative influence between social media addiction and academic procrastination. Chapter 3. Research Method. Place and time of research. This research will be conducted at SMK Negeri 1 Bogor, which is located at Jalan Talang, nomor 6, RT 6, RW 4, Tanah Sereal, Kecamatan Tanah Sereal, Kota Bogor, Jawa Barat. And the time of research until January to August. Research design. This research used a quantitative approach with a survey method. Data collection was carried out through distributing questionnaire to respondents, and data analysis using statistical technique. Research object, population. The population of the study was 206 students in the Department of Office Management and Business Service, or NPLB, class 10 and 11 in the 2024/2025 academic years. Sample. The sampling technique used is probability sampling, with a sample size of 134 students, determined using the ISAC and NISEL formula with an error rate of 5%. Instrument development. This study consists of three variables, namely social media addiction as an independent variable, academic procrastination as the dependent variable, and self-regulated learning as the mediating variable. Academic procrastination. Conceptual definition. Academic procrastination is the behavior of deliberately postponing tasks until close to the predetermined deadline, because individuals prefer to do other activities that are more enjoyable, resulting in anxiety due to the inability to complete tasks on time to the fullest. Operational definition. Respondent perception of academic procrastination behavior, which can be measured the indicator of delay in starting or completing tasks, time, gaps between plan and action, doing other enjoyable activity, and emotional anxiety. Self-regulated learning. Conceptual definition. Self-regulated learning is a person's ability to manage and control the learning process with a sense of responsibility to achieve predetermined goals. Operational definition. Respondents' perception of the ability to manage and control the learning process, which can be measured, the indicator of planning, self-monitoring, and self-evaluation. Social media addiction. Conceptual definition. Social media addiction is an individual's inability to control excessive and compulsive use of social media, which has a detrimental impact that neglects other activities. Operational definition. Respondent perception of the inability to control excessive use of social media, which can be measured, the indicator of silence, tolerance symptoms, withdrawal symptoms, conflict, and lack of control. Data collection technique. The data searched in this research are primary data, such as survey and questionnaire results, as well as field observation, and secondary data obtained from various graphic documents, such as news publications, books, and journals. Data collection uses a cross questionnaire collected through Google Forms with a Likert scale from 1 to 5. Data analysis technique. Data management in this study uses structural equation modeling based on partial least square, or SAMLS, which will be evaluated through the outer model and inner model. Outer model include convergent validity, discriminant validity, and internal consistency reliability. An inner model include coefficient of determination, effect size, prediction relevance, variance inflation factor, and path coefficient. That's all my proposal seminar presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.